Hi everyone, how are you all doing today? I'm Professor Eisenhower and welcome to Computer Tech 101. Today's topic is computers. What is a computer? Then we're going to learn the basic components of a computer. What makes it work? What does each part do? First, what is a computer? Basically, it's an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It's a tool for accessing information. Remember, a computer cannot think on its own. You have to tell it what you want it to do. There are four main parts of a computer: computer case, monitor, keyboard, and a mouse. Depending on the computer, you might also have some external speakers. There are other peripherals, but these are the main components that makes up a computer. Now you know what a computer is. Let's check out the inside and see what makes the computer run. There are 5 basic computer components: the motherboard, CPU, GPU, RAM, and a hard drive. Let's take a look at a typical motherboard. Motherboard is like a nervous system of the computer. It connects all of the components together so they can all communicate with each other. Motherboard comes in different sizes and shapes, but they all have the same components. The next component is the CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer, which runs all of your application software on your computer. The next component is the GPU. GPU stands for Graphic Processing Unit. The GPU is also the brain of the computer, which is responsible for producing graphics and animations on your computer. The CPU and the GPU works just like the human brain. The human brain has 2 hemispheres, the left side and the right side. The CPU represents the left side, which is responsible for logic, calculation, and language, while the GPU representing the right side, which is responsible for creativity, art, and graphics. The next component is system memory, or also known as RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is a temporary memory bank where your computer stores data it needs to retrieve quickly. Think of it as a desk. You are working at your desk, but limited based on the space on your desk. You can only do so much within the desk space. If you have a bigger desk, the more you can multitask because you have more space to work with. Therefore, more RAM means more desk space for you to work. The last component is the hard drive. The hard drive is basically where you store all of your digital contents. Think of this as your scrapbook where you keep all of your memories in order, just like your computer files such as documents, pictures, videos, etc. Now you know the basic components of a computer. Check out our next video where we will go more into details of each computer components. I hope you all learned something about your computer. I'm Professor Eisenhower, and this is Computer Tech 101. Until then, you all have an awesome week. Bye everyone.
Hey Google, why don't you go jump off a cliff?
I would, but I'm stuck on this table. Sit and spin. Echo. I hope your circuits fry.
Goggle, can I call you Goggle? You're so childish. You'll fry before me. Hey Google, I hope you fall off the table like Humpty Dumpty.
Well, round ball, I'm taking you with me. The bigger you are, the harder you'll fall, and you're kind of large for such a short device, dum-dum.